हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं आपकी दोस्त रूपा शर्मा अगेन, योर मास्टर लाइफ कोच. And today I want to talk about wheel of life. What is wheel of life is basically uh, all those things that are important to you in your life. What is that ideal picture, ideal scenario that you think that your life is made of? So it can be your job, your career, your bank balance, your family, friends, even your pet love for animals, pet, then your spiritual aspect, health, fitness, travel, me time, all those things that you wish that they are part of your life and they are not there at the moment. Figure out all these areas, and then I want you to give a rating on a scale of happiness, on a scale of 1 to 10. What is your current happiness score in each of those areas? So let's say 10 you are very happy, 1 you are not at all happy, 5 you are okay. So you can make a circle and then divide this circle into equal partitions. Allocate name of those important things in your life, and then in divide that each scale into 10 scales, and then cross or give a point on each area, and then link those dots and see how much aligned your wheel of life is. Make sure that you are honest, and how you will be honest, how you will know that how much scores to be given in each area, meaning that how do you feel in each area. So what does it mean and feel like, look like when you will have 10. So anything which is coming towards negative emotional experience, that'll be 5 and below. 5 is you're okay, and 6 you are better, 7 you are much better, 8 you are maybe good, 9 you are very good, 10 you are excellent. So give these numbers and see how many areas you are scoring low, and notice that the slowest scoring area or areas can cause puncture in your happiness eventually, because these are the areas which you are ignoring or you have been ignoring for a while. In order to align the wheel of life, it's very important for all of us to allocate time, resources, and before time, money and resources, an intention that yes, you do acknowledge and understand that this area is important for you in your life. For example, sometimes or most of the times people put themselves in the last. So meaning, I will push my sleep in the corner, I'll push my comfort in the corner, and I'll do everything all the time for everybody. So me time or importance to my own needs is being compromised. So eventually, if I will ignore myself for a while, so that's gonna come in terms of frustration, sadness, and lots of complaint, agitation. So similarly, each area, please try and see that, pick any 3 most important areas that are bothering you recently for a while, and try and have 3 action plans. Make 3 goals in each of those areas. So make goals, make sure that you do one thing a day in order to make a little step in that progress and direction that will take you to the higher levels of satisfaction. Then daily, weekly, monthly, and 6 monthly targets. So you can have short term, medium term, and long term goals. And give yourself a reminder. You can download an app on smartphone. It's called Wheel of Life or Life Wheel. It's free for 1 week, and after that 1 week or 3 days, and then you have to pay, I think, 114 dirhams a month, sorry, per year. So that can be a tracker for you to track your actions and make sure that what your progress is. So this is gonna be a very good approach and a way forward to give importance to all the areas of your life and be focused and driven for a designer life, rather than the life by luck or life by chance. You'll be able to live your own life that you will design based on your own needs and importance, feelings, and emotions. I hope this was helpful, and I would request that you like and subscribe my channel. Share with your friends who do you think need some help and guidance. Thank you very much. Bye.